Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm going to walk you through the enhanced functionality of the QR code generator. Now, why is that important? Well, let's say maybe you're running a live event and you just want to simplify the communication between the organizers and the attendees. So you could create QR codes for all sorts of different scenarios. Let's say you have a dedicated hotline where people can just call and ask different inquiries specifically about that event. Or you've created a third QR code which may forward people to a specific pre-filled form that allows them to leave feedback about your event. Now, let me show you how you can set this up. All right, first click on Sites on the left, select QR codes at the top and create a new QR code. Right here, you see the three new options: calls, SMS, and emails. So let's start with calls. Click on that icon. Click on Next. Here you will have to add the phone number that's being called once they've scanned that code. Then hit Next. Here you can also modify colors and shapes according to your brand colors. So whatever your brand color is, select those. You can change the dots color. You can change the marker border color. You can change the marker center color as well. Let's make that yellow. Woo! Let's select shape and form. Here you can select what type of dots you would like to see. Then the marker border, should it be round, square? Let's say round. Marker center. Okay, you can select the different shapes here. Then you can select to add a logo. Maybe you want to upload your own logo, or you want to upload a WhatsApp logo, or wherever this is leading you. In this case, a phone icon would make sense. You can decide if you want to remove the background behind the logo to make it more professional and stand out. And then lastly, you can also decide what the page background should look like. So let's select an image. Let's select this one, for example. Great. Do you want to have it 100% transparency, 50%, 43%? Is really up to you. Okay. Once it's ready, you can either download the QR code and then put on the tables of your event, or you can, on the stage, you can share it digitally with them and give more instructions. Hit save. Or via email prior to the event, sending out those codes so that they be forwarded to the manager to make a phone call immediately without needing to type in that number. Okay, so that was the one for the phone calls. Now let's create another QR code. SMS would be the same setup. I'll show you real quick. Hit next. You would type the number here, and then you can pre-write the message that the SMS should say. So here you can say, hey, I'm attending the event. They would then just see that message in their little SMS box once they scan that code, so that, the manager just knows, okay, all of these people will be attending. Then you hit next. You adjust the color, the shape, the logo, the background. You hit save. And ta-da, that's it, right? So let's create another one. Let's name it email. Let's select the email. Hit next. Here you would type the email where this is going to once they scan the code. Okay, they scan the code and they want to send an email to this particular email address. Then you also can type a subject line, feedback form event 11/11/2025, for example. So then you can add your questions here, right? Hey, if you could rate our event from a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, which one would you choose? Keep going if there's more questions like that, right? Then hit next. Adjust your color, shapes, logos, and backgrounds. Hit save. Ta-da! And that's it. So now let me show you one example, me scanning this with my phone actually. Let's open the camera app. Let's scan it. Click on the link. And here we go. You can see the from email, you can see the to email, and you can see the pre-crafted text right here. Amazing. And that's it already. This is how you utilize the SMS, call, and email integration inside the QR code generator in order, for example, to track the attendance rate of your event and make the communication with your attendees seamless. I hope you like this feature, and I will see you in the next video.